All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Mark Days. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, turn on the notification bell so you can get more content like this. What we have in front of us today is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. This is a premium device here, people. Costs around 1,800 bucks. You know, I got the 512 gigs. What I did was, as you'll see later on in the video, I took advantage of a couple of offers that they had. I had the Google Pixel 7 Pro for a while. That video is on my channel, the unboxing of that. You can check it out whenever you have a chance to. I mean, look at this device, it's just beautiful. Let me pause the commentary and just admire this thing. Look at this thing, man. The beautiful blue. I chose the icy blue. I don't know why I've been on like a little blue wave lately, and I like this a lot. I mean, this is my first time owning a foldable device, and I'm just absolutely in love with this thing. Look at my baby trying to get in the video. I had to give it a swat real quick, get her up out the way, man. Absolutely bonkers right there. So we're just setting up the device at the moment, nothing special. I did have the Google Pixel 7 Pro for a while. As I said, that video is on the channel if you want to check out the unboxing of that and the setup. I ended up trading that device in, I believe. There it is right there. I had it in the Hazel. I really love this phone. It's none to play with. It was a champ, but I had to get rid of it, man, to get that 600 bucks off. And as you can see, I'm inserting my Verizon SIM here, setting it all up, getting it ready to go. My Google Pixel 7 Pro, man, I thought I was gonna miss it until I took that doggone phone out of the box, and I said immediately, nah, I'm not gonna miss the 7 Pro. It's got to go. The 7 Pro has got to go. So I'm really enjoying this device. As you can see, I'm hooking it up here to get everything transferred over. Didn't take that long at all. Super seamless, super easy. Had to just download the Smart Switch app on the Google and of course on the Samsung. So had to get everything transferred over. It only took a few moments, and it organized everything, got everything up and running for me. Look at that, I'm swatting away the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Shout out to Pastor Gino Jennings here. I just wanted to see that full screen, see what that was looking like right there. And everything was just looking beautiful. And this device is amazing, y'all. If you haven't had an opportunity to check it out, definitely pick it up. It's beautiful, it's functional, and I'm really enjoying it. You know, God bless everybody. Peace be unto you. Again, subscribe, like, comment, and God bless.